Using n8n MCP server, please create a n8n workflow to check the weather for Lahore. As you can see, it created a workflow and shared its workflow ID with me. Let me check on n8n. And here you can see there is a workflow for check Lahore weather. In this way, using Claude AI, you can create any n8n workflow within seconds. Just write what you need and the Claude AI will create it for you. So you simply need to put your prompt and create a new workflow. In this video, I will guide you how you can install MCP server on your computer and then use this MCP server to create n8n workflows for you on autopilot. To install MCP server, let's move to computer. You need to download MCP server from this GitHub repo. I just created it a few minutes ago. Simply open this URL, click on code and then download it as zip. Extract it. To run this MCP server, you need to make sure you have installed Python on your computer. If you don't have Python, please install it. And after making sure Python is installed, right click, open terminal, and then you just need to follow steps I already shared on this GitHub repo. Simply go to installation instructions. If you already have installed Git on your computer, you can use this method or simply download it as a file. Copy this command and paste it here and hit enter. It will install Python modules on your computer that a Claude will use to communicate with n8n. Once installation is complete, you can close this. Then you need to update your config file with your n8n API key. Go to n8n, go to settings, n8n API, create an API and you can name it anything like MCP Server testing. Set expiration to no expiration and click save and copy this API and click done. Then open this .env file using Notepad and update n8n API key here. If you have locally installed n8n, keep this URL. If you install it on custom domain, you can update this URL according to your requirements and then click save. Then you need to update Claude config file for MCP servers. Simply go to Cloud, go to user settings, developer, then click on edit config file. It will navigate to Claude configuration file for MCP server. Open it with Notepad and you can if there is something you need to add a new entry here, or if it is empty, simply copy this and then paste it here. Then you need to add full Python path and full MCP server script path and n8n API key. Go to C folder and here Python and click here slash and here is Python file path. Paste it here and then you need to make sure you are using double slashes. Then go to your MCP server. Then you need to copy absolute file path for n8n MCP server. Click here slash and copy this path and add it here. Make sure to add double slashes here too. And now you need to paste your n8n API key here that we placed in other file. Copies and paste it here. Click save and restart Claude AI. You can use task manager to close. Closed. Now open it and make sure. Yes, you can see n8n MCP server is added here. Now you can create any n8n workflow using Cloud and MCP server. Not only create, you can update, you can change, you can fix your n8n workflows using this MCP server and Cloud AI. Okay, let's do some testing.